Okay, I'm going to start off where the other video had ended. Actually, I'm going to go back and hit something in the beginning of the other one that I didn't explain. I started to, and I got sidetracked by the drawing. If you right click and go to options, this menu will open up. Make sure you're in display, go to colors. You'll see the 2D modeling space, the uniform background. Make sure those two are highlighted, and here's the color. And what this does is it sets the color of your background. I like mine to be white, that way I can see my construction lines a lot better. So hit apply and close. We did forget one dimension. It is the leader line off of this. And before I do that, I'm going to go into annotate, and I'm going to edit my leaders. I'm going to modify, and I'm going to set that text height to 1/8 of an inch to match my dimension, and my leading gap is 0.0625. Hit OK, and we're going to say set current layer, close. Alright, back to here. I have got a leader that needs to come off of this keyway, and it's going to tell us that that keyway is 360 or 0.36 by 0.20. Make sure the caps lock is on keyway. Click out of it. So there we've got that. Now we're going to bring this drawing into our template. The first thing we need to do is make sure we are in the viewport layer. Go to layout, then up here click layout again. I'm going to click rectangular. I'm coming to the very top left hand corner and go to the bottom right hand corner. And I'm going to click over here, the lower left hand corner, to activate the viewport. That way I can get into the scale. I'm going to set my scale to a 1:2 ratio. And I'm going to hit escape. Now you notice I've already changed my text by getting into the properties. You can go in, you click the text, and then right click properties, and you get into the contents. That's what allows you to change what the text has, or what is in the text. So I'm going to hit escape again. Alright, I need to get rid of the viewport border here, so I'm going to go back to home, and I'm going to pick a different layer. I'm just going to go into my dimensions layer, and then I'm going to go back into my layer properties, and I'm going to freeze the viewport and then close that out. Now what that did was turn the border off of that viewport. So I have my scale set. I need to do two things for this. The first thing I need you to do is you're going to right click on layout, go to page setup manager, you're going to modify, and you're going to click right here, and you're going to pick the DWG to PDF, and you need to pick, I've got the ANSI full bleed 8.5 by 11. Make sure you're in landscape, and then we're going to preview this. We can see there a page, it's going to fit. We're going to go here, exit that preview, click OK, close. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File and Export. Actually, let's do this. Go all the way up here to this and go Export and Export PDF. And I've already got my name. Mine is Geneva Cam PDF, so I'm going to save it again. Alright, then I'm going to go find that file. There's my Geneva Cam PDF. I'm going to double click it. There is my PDF. Alright, I need you to save this as a PDF and submit it back, but I also want to see your drawing. So go back to your model space, go to File, go to Save As, and I want you to call this Geneva Cam with your last name as .dwg. Save it somewhere where you can find it. I've already saved mine. I'm going to save it again. and submit that back to Blackboard. I want both the DWG and the PDF. I'll have two separate locations to upload those. That way it'll be easy for you to do. If you get hung up in this drawing at some point, just email me and let me know. I would not suggest getting started on this at the last minute. You may not get it done. But if you have any questions, just give me a shout.